Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Dinatullah from the Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. So in the previous videos, as we have started the one-shot time-saving results for the topic periodicity, in this video also, let us discuss one more one-shot time-saving result. Okay. So before going to start that part, I want to remind you that already the new batches for the Ecet 2023 as well as Ecet 2024 has already started. If you want any details, contact on the given numbers. Okay. Now let us concentrate over here. So our one shot time saving result, what is the question written over here? The period of f of x is equal to sine of pi into sine x. Okay, we are having this part. Now listen here carefully how we have to solve this one. So the period means if you want to find out the period, what is the condition we are having? The condition is f of x, it is equals to f of t plus x. What is the condition we are having? F of x is equals to f of t plus x. If this is the condition, if this condition is satisfied, then what we can say? We can say that it is a periodic function and the t value will be period of that function. Okay. So as we are having f of x is equal to sine of pi into sine x we are having. So let us find out the f of t plus x value. So f of t plus x equals to sine we have taken as it is, then pi into sine. Again what we are doing actually, in the place of x we have tried t plus x. What we have tried in the place of x, what we have tried t plus x, that's it. So over here also what we are writing, x means t plus x we have taken. Okay. Now what are the t values for the trigonometric function? Already we have discussed what are the t values we can take. Pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, so on. Okay. So let us try these values over here. So if what we are taking t value, it is equals to pi by 2. What we have taken? Pi by 2 we have taken. So what will happen over here? F of pi by 2 plus x, it is equals to sine of pi into sine of pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x. Okay, we have taken this part. Now what is the meaning of pi by 2 actually? Pi by 2 means 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sign will be positive. Okay, but 90 means what we have to do? We have to change that function. Sign will be getting converted into cos. So which is equals to, this sign will be as it is. Now next part, pi we have taken over here, then it will be positive, but we are getting the answer as a cos x. Okay. So f of x is equal to sine of pi into sine x we are having, but what we are getting the answer if you are taking the t value is equal to pi by 2 means sine of pi into cos x. Okay. So this part is not satisfied. This part is not satisfied. Now let us take the second condition. If t value it is equals to pi. What we have taken now? T value it is equals to pi we have taken. Now let us substitute this part. What we are having? F of pi plus x. F of pi plus x it is equals to sine of pi we have written as it is into sine of pi plus x. Okay, we have written like this, which is equals to. Now, which is equals to, what we can write, what is the meaning of pi over here? Pi means 180. Now 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta means what? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine function will be negative. Sine function will be what? Negative. 180 means no need to change the function, we can write it as it is. So what we are getting means sine of minus pi into sine x. Minus pi into sine x. Okay. Now we are having one of the formula over here, which is sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta it is equals to minus sine theta. What we are having? Sine of minus theta it is equals to what? Minus sine theta. So over here also if you are taking this complete part as theta minus theta, so which is equals to what we can write? Minus sine of pi into sine x. Okay. So what is the function we are having actually? Function it is equal to sine of pi into sine x, but what we are getting the f of t plus x value minus sine of pi into sine x. Okay. So this is also not satisfied. this condition is also not satisfied. Okay, t is equals to pi by 2 not satisfied, t is equals to pi not satisfied. Okay, now let us take the another case over here. What is the next case we are having means t is equals to 3 pi by 2. If you are taking t is equals to 3 pi by 2 means what is the meaning of 3 pi by 2? 270. So if you have taken 90 over here, 90 means what we are getting, sine is getting converted into cos. It is not satisfying the function. Similarly, 270, if you are taking 270 means what will happen? 270 also we have to change the function. So if you are changing the function means again sine is getting converted into cos. Again it will be not satisfied. Okay, so that 3 pi by 2 is also not satisfied. So directly we are taking this part as if t is equals to 2 pi. What we have taken now? T is equals to 2 pi we have taken. Now let us substitute this part. So f of 2 pi plus x, which is equals to what we are having over here, sine of pi into sine of 2 pi, sine of what? 2 pi plus x. So we have taken this part. So which is equals to sine we are writing as it is, pi we are writing as it is, then sine of 2 pi plus x. What is the meaning of 2 pi actually? 2 pi means 360, 360 plus theta, which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant means all functions will be positive, and 360 means no need to change the function. So what we are getting the answer? Sine of pi into sine x. Okay, so for this part the condition is satisfied. So what we are getting the answer over here? Therefore f of x it is equals to f of t plus x. Okay, so the condition is satisfied. The condition is what? Satisfied. So if the condition is satisfied over here, what is the t value we have taken? T value it is equals to 2 pi. So t value it is equals to 2 pi means what we can write over here? What we can say that the period of f of x is equals to sine of pi into sine x, it is equals to 2 pi. What we are getting the answer? 2 pi. Understood the concept? Now what is the one shot result? This was the actual procedure over here. Now what is the one shot result? No need to write this many steps over here for this single question. Directly we can write the answer over here. How we can write? Now listen here carefully. Suppose let us take one more point also. If it is cos of minus theta, then it is equals to what? Plus cos theta. Sine of minus theta it is equals to what? Minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta it is equals to cos theta. Similarly, tan of minus theta it is equals to what? Minus tan theta. Only cos and secant will become positive. Okay. Suppose if you are having the cos function as the outside over here, okay, inside whatever it may be, if the outside function is cos over here, then as we have taken t is equals to pi, what we are getting the answer? Sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta means what we have taken? Minus sine theta we have taken. That's why we are getting the wrong answer over there. The condition is not satisfied. Suppose if you are taking cos of minus theta means what we can write? Plus cos theta. If you are taking plus cos theta means f of x it is equals to what? F of t plus x. Understood? So only 2 points we have to remember. What is that first point we are having? If the outside function is sine, then directly what we have to remember? That the t value, that the period will be equals to 2 pi. If the cos function we are having as the outside function, then what we have to write the answer? Pi. That's it. Okay. Sine function means answer will be what? 2 pi. Cos function means what will be the answer? Pi. That's it. Okay. So this is the one short time saving result. No need to write this many steps over here. Okay. Now let us see the questions over here. Direct answers will write. So the period of f of x it is equals to what we have taken first? Sine of pi into cos x we have taken. Outside what we are having the function? Sine. So what we have to write the answer? 2 pi. Sine means what? 2 pi. Cos means what? Pi. That's it. So outside function what we are having? Cos. Cos means direct we can write the answer as a pi. That's it. Okay. Now next we are having it as tan of pi by 2 sine x. So just now we have discussed now sine of minus theta it is equals to minus sine theta. Then next cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. Tan of minus theta it is equals to what? Minus tan theta. Minus sine theta. That's why we have taken it as 2 pi. Minus tan theta. Then what we have to take over here? 2 pi. Okay. 2 pi. 2 pi. Directly we have taken it as what? 2 pi. Understood? Now next part. In this part also sine of sine x plus sine of cos x. What is the outside function we are having? Sine. What is the outside function we are having? Sine. Means what we can write the answer? 2 pi. Okay. So for this we are getting the answer as 2 pi. For this also we are getting the answer as 2 pi. Now we are having one more one shot result that whenever we are having the same periods for the different functions, then we have to write the same answer. Okay, no need to add, no need to subtract over there. If you are getting the same periods over there for the different functions, then we have to write that same answer. Okay, so we are going to discuss in the next one shot video. Okay, for this part we are going to discuss in detail in the next video. Sine of sin x we are having now. Sine of sin x means what is the answer for this part? 2 pi. What is the answer for this function? 2 pi. This answer is same. Then we have to write the same answer. No need to add or subtract over here. Okay. Now next part, cos of cos x we are having. Sine of sin x we are having. Now whenever we are having one cos function and other sine function. Suppose if it was this single question, if you are having only this single question means then what will be the answer? Pi. Okay. If you are having this single question means what will be the answer? 2 pi. Okay. Now when we have taken this sine one function and cos one function, then we have to refer it as a sine only. Understood? Because what is happening, this part cos of minus theta, it is becoming plus cos theta, but sine of minus theta, it is becoming minus sine theta. So this plus sine, it is getting converted into what? A minus. So whenever we are having the, suppose sine we have taken, na? Sine means 2 pi we have taken. Cos and cos means what we have to write? Pi we have to write. Now whenever we are having one function as sine as outside and other function as cos as outside, then what we have to write the answer? We have to write the answer as a 2 pi. We have to write the answer as what? 2 pi. Okay, we have to go for sine function. Now next, the period of f of x is equal to sine inverse we are having as the outside function, cos inverse we are having as the outside function, or sine inverse and cos inverse. Okay. Now just now we have discussed that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta we have taken. That is trigonometric functions we have taken. But whenever we are coming to inverse trigonometric functions over here, then what will happen? It is not becoming the positive part. Okay. So sine inverse means we are getting the minus, cos inverse means we are getting the minus. Whenever we are discussing about inverse trigonometric functions over here, directly what we have to write the answer? 2 pi. 2 pi as well as this part is also, it is becoming what? 2 pi. Okay. Only for trigonometric function, directly we can write the answer as pi. If it is inverse means then again 2 pi. Sine inverse means 2 pi, cos inverse means 2 pi. Okay. So with these questions we have completed one short time saving results. Okay. One more time I want to inform you that already the new batches have been started for the Ecet examination 2023 and Ecet 2024 also. So don't waste your time, hurry up. If you want any more details regarding the admissions, contact on the given numbers. Thank you very much.